Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to install Eclipse IDE for Windows operating system. For this, first open any browser. Here I am opening Chrome browser, and here in Google search for Eclipse IDE. So now here it will show you the official website eclipseide.org. So you click on this Eclipse IDE. Then it will take you to the official website. Now here a direct download button is there here. Download 2026-03. You click on this. Now it will take you to the Eclipse installer page. Now here you can observe Eclipse installer 2026-03R. Now if you want to download this, so based on your operating system, you can select one here. So now my operating system is Windows. So for Windows also there are two options are given here. One is x86-64 and another one is ARC-64. Based on which operating system you are using and which processor you are using, we need to select one of these two. Okay, so now which one we need to choose, how we can know? So now for this you go to your this PC, and here you check the properties. So now if you observe here, so our system type, so it is a 64-bit operating system with the x64 based processor. If your processor is x64 based processor, then you choose x86-64. Otherwise sometimes your processor may be ARM based processor. In such a case, you choose the ARC-64. Now, as my operating system is x64 based processor, so now I will choose the first one, x86-64. Now click on this. Now it will take you to this download website. Now click on download. It will start downloading the installer here. So now it is about 159 MB. It will take some time. Wait for download. So the Eclipse installer has been successfully downloaded. So now go to downloads. Now here you double click on this Eclipse installer. So now here it will open this window. So here multiple options are available. If you want to install Eclipse for Java developers, you can click on this link. If you want to install Eclipse for enterprise Java and web development, then you can install this. If you want to work with C and C++, you can install it like that. Multiple options are given here. So now our intention here is to download the Eclipse IDE for web application. So now for that you select the second option. Click on this, and here Java 21 plus VM. Here you can choose any virtual machine. So now in my system 21 is installed, so I am selecting JRE 21.0.11. So then the second one is installation folder. You can choose any installation folder where you want to install the file. So by default it is installed in users in C drive. Now click on install. So then it will open this window. Just accept now. Then it will start installing the Eclipse IDE. So it will take some time depending upon your internet speed. Now it was successfully installed. Now click on launch. Now it will open the Eclipse IDE launcher. Here you can select the directory where you want to store your projects. So now here by default it is choosing C drive, under which users Abhyan Eclipse workspace. By default it will take some Eclipse workspace. Suppose if you want to change it, you can click on browse and you can select one folder where you want to store the files. So as of now I'm not changing anything here, and just click on launch. Now, so you will get a screen like this. This is the Eclipse workspace or Eclipse IDE. So now here you close this. Now if you want to write a program, so in Java, so now you can go to files and take a new. Under this you will be having multiple options. Now I want to write a Java project. Now you need to have Java project here. If it is not there, then go to others. So then type here Java project. Now here you can observe Java project. Now you choose this and click on next. Now here you can take the project name as anything. So now sample project I'm taking just it as a sample, and then you can choose the JRE. JRE here is from my operating system. I'm choosing JRE 21 version only. So then remaining thing I'm keep it as it is. So then click on next. Now you will get this screen. Here also we don't need to change anything here. You just simply click on finish. Now it will be, now here open perspective it is also asking. So then you click on open perspective only. Then you will get the screen like this. Now here a sample project is created at the left side, in which you are having JRE system library and SRC. In SRC, one sample module -info file is available. So if you want to take this file, you can take it. Otherwise, you can create a new file. Otherwise, you can delete this and then create a new Java file. So now, for creating new Java file, right click on this SRC and then take new. Now here you need to take the class, new class. So now here our class name, let us take for hello world, I'm taking hello as the class name. And then so you want to public static void main also here. So then you check this checkbox, and inherited abstract method it is not required. You uncheck this, then click on finish. So now here you have created one class with the public static void main. Here you can write your code. So now I want to print a hello world. So for this I'm writing system.out.println. So now here I want to print a hello world. Okay. Now, so this is the way of writing the program. And if you want to execute the program, now here there is a run button is there, run as. Okay, you click on this. So then you will get the output here in the console at the bottom of the screen. Okay, this is the way of executing the Java programs here. Okay, if you have any doubt in installing or downloading Eclipse IDE, you can comment here. I can respond to you. Thank you very much for watching the video.